Hey guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life, with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a clean with me. I am currently in my office, and this is one of the places in my house that has been neglected, especially during this time of quarantine. But as I have a lot of things that I'm working on between finishing up my book and freelance that I'm doing and making content for you guys, I need a space where I can create. And this is such an uninspiring place and space at the moment. So I need to do something with it. I've been wanting to redo my office for a while now, and I always said I didn't have the time, but now I do. This is not going to happen all in one shot. So I'm going to be sharing multiple videos of this, but first things first is showing you guys the before. I'll also link below the other clean with me videos that I have as well. But I asked you guys in my community tab if you wanted to see this process, and a lot of you said yes. So I'm sharing it and hoping that I can give you guys some motivation so that you guys can get to cleaning and decluttering whatever area in your house you have neglected for quite some time, like myself. So let's go ahead and take a look at what I'm working with. I would say this is embarrassing, but I feel like anytime I do a clean with me of my office, this is usually what it is. So I have stuff over here, my cart, this. Look at my desk. I did take the marble contact paper I had off of this because it was driving me crazy. Look at the floor. Look at the floor. Look at that. Oh, a mess. My craft closet is clean though. That's clean. I have some things that need to go back in here. But I mean, it's a hot mess express. So I'm going to make a trash pile, put things back in the piles of where I know they're going. This has just been like an overflow of nonsense, like absolute craziness. Like this, I did a project for, not a project, but I did like a birthday scavenger hunt for the little girl that I babysit. And I took a whole bunch of stuff out of my craft closet and I just never put it back. This is my overflowing giveaway pile. I have a lot of stuff that I am going to be giving away, but with everything going on with this virus, I just have not gone to the post office. So stay tuned for all that jazz. And I mean, we just got to get it together. I need to clean off my bookshelf. It's a mess. So I am going to put on my show. I'm currently watching Unsung, and I don't want y'all to see my password on my iPad, but I'm watching Unsung, and it is currently, I believe y'all saw the time, it is currently 12:01. This is the TV One app. I downloaded it, put in my cable provider, and it worked with no problem. So I love Unsung. It's one of my favorite docu-series that is out there when it comes to music artists and just seeing the evolution of their careers, the ups and the downs and all that. So I've been watching this show for years. I think it's been on, I don't know, late 2000s. Yeah, it's been on for a while, but it's one of my faves. But you can find it on the TV One app. So I'm going to let this show play out, and when this show is over, I'm going to stop. So almost 1 a.m., I'm going to stop whatever it is that I'm doing. I'm going to be as strategic as possible with this, but I'm going to stop after because I don't want to be doing this all night. This is going to be a process, but my goal is to straighten up the floor, make piles, and get the desk cleared off because I have work that I need to do in here tomorrow and so on and so forth. So let's get to it. almost 1 a.m. and I'm just about done. I have not completely finished clearing off my desk, so that's the last thing I'm gonna do. But the floors are cleaned, which is awesome. I did sweep. I have my garbage piles that I'll be taking out before the week is over, and I am gonna be vacuuming and all that, but that's gonna come as I move things around and rearrange. Funny enough, I found a lot of hand sanitizer. Shows how much I just always keep some around. I'm actually going to put those in my car because I have no more in there. But yeah, the second part to this video, it's my baby picture with my mom and my sister. The second part of this video, I will be sharing with you guys some of the organization that I'm doing to my planner stash. And then the third part will be more so, how will I rearrange this? Will it work? What am I doing? So, baby steps. First step was to clean so that I could still work in between cleaning. And now I am going to organize. And then I can rearrange stuff. Because through the organization process, I can weed out what it is that I want to keep and what I don't want to keep. So in the beginning, I said, oh, I'm just going to make piles and just make it work. But let me show y'all. So here's the trash stuff. That's the giveaway pile. Planners and faith stuff. My planner cart, which you'll be seeing more of. More stuff over here. Miss me and my mama. More stuff over here. This, I need to figure out what I'm doing with it. What books I want to keep and which ones I want to give away. And then the desk, which is not that bad at all. I do want to set up something over here so I can have easy access to my pens. And then I'm going to set up my tripod so that I can always, have my filming ready. That's what I like to do. But other than that, that's it. So that wraps it up for this video. I hope that this inspired you and encouraged you. So go ahead and tackle that room that you've been neglecting. Tackle that space that has been piling up. You guys haven't even seen the worst of the stuff that I have been hoarding, in a sense. I have a closet in my house that is like, oh my God. Maybe one day y'all see that. Not today, but maybe one day. So tackle that area, baby steps. As the saying goes, it gets worse before it gets better. So I hope that this gave you a little bit of a boost to just go ahead and tackle one of the areas. And like I also referenced Jordan page of FunCheaperFree.com where she says just one bite. This was just one bite. I'm not tackling all of this in one night. Baby steps.